Hi y'all, Carrie D here, host of Coffee with Carrie Homeschool podcast and the author of Just Breathe. And I'm doing a whole series on game schooling, ways that you can turn really mundane or boring or even hard concepts and lessons into fun by using games. So today I wanted to talk about one of my all-time favorite math games. It's super easy. It's called the Frapper deck. You can get it in multiplication, you can get it in addition, but my favorite is for middle schoolers. This one is the fractions, decimals, percent one. Now the reason why I love these cards is because, first of all, the kids can just use them to help them memorize the equivalents of, in this case, the fractions, right? So 3/4 and 75% and 75/100 because they come in card form, okay? But I love to make it into a game and where you can play Go Fish with your different cards. So like for instance, there's gonna be 3 sets. There's gonna be 3 in a set. So for 3/4, you've got the fraction, you've got the decimal version, and then you've got the percent version. And so you play a traditional game of Go Fish, but instead of trying to get a pair, you're trying to get the triplet, right? So you play just like Go Fish, you ask for whatever you have in your hand, and you're trying to make the trio instead of a pair. Another way you can play this game is just like memory, concentration. So you can put all the cards down, but instead of turning over 2 cards at a time, they turn over 3 cards at a time. And in this case, they're trying to find the 3 cards that all equal the same thing, or that are equivalent, which would be 75% or 3/4. Okay, that's one way you could play it. Another way you could play it is you can play the Old Maid version of it. They come with this really cool, I don't know why it's a bull, but it's a bull. And you put it in here, and then you play Old Maid. And everyone's asking for, do you have 3/4, do you have 75%, whatever. And you're trying to get, again, a trio instead of a pair. And the last person that has the bull loses or wins, depending on how your family plays, okay? So this is a super fun way. It's called Frapper deck. This version is the fractions, decimal, percent one. I love playing it, again, like I said, with middle schoolers. I always had it in our morning time basket because you can literally play a game in 5 minutes, okay? But they also have a multiplication version, and they also have an addition version, so kids can practice their addition facts. All right, have fun. Go get it.